Hello, my name is Zember Liu, from Zhejiang EVERGEAR Drive Co LTD. We produce the industrial speed reducers, with its outstanding characteristics, brings unparalleled advantages to your industrial equipment. It possesses the feature of high transmission efficiency, meaning that the energy loss is minimized, enabling your equipment to be more energy efficient and more efficient. The advantage of a wide speed ratio range can meet the diverse needs of each industrial equipment. Whether it is high-speed or low-speed operation, it can be precisely matched. And the excellent quality ensures the stability and reliability of the speed reducer, reducing the time of fault downtime, and providing a solid guarantee for your production process. This not only reduces maintenance costs, but also enhances the overall performance of the equipment, keeping your industrial equipment in its best condition and creating greater benefits for you. Choosing our speed reducer is to choose high efficiency, precision, and reliability, allowing your industrial equipment to excel in the market competition. Welcome to contact Zember for more information. My WhatsApp 86 1396 777 5116.